die Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba kajala uba Preston Tensong hanne kasngi habai keren bet kinong thok khobor ulaong bakat balong kat bajia kajing rakhe ya kajing dap san post nam kajala kan nyaj bet harangkat kajing perking bat kendon kibadon kam banbur renti ulaong ba kajing rakhe ha ka arpoi terik menta ukala lengkot kan nyaj bet ha ka bala beta ya ka chief secretary bat baro ki deputy commissioner ban wanra ya kajing penkre bat jingpen bet kibabnia ha kabak sorkar kan sasyong jingelang ha katayo kambanwan lapen kha ya kajela Meghalaya kum kajela Bapura da kaba yaklat bat ka Asam ha ka arpoi terik kala lengkot khat khandai spa nyo puar bat ka jingyat lenti kum kajela kala kenjo sanpausnam menta usnam arhajar arpuar habakali lau Menteri Rangba Narendra Modi unwan em ban pli ya kajing rakhe ubat tensong ulaong bahadu menta 4 don kano kejing pentikna bat lesi hakatayo banwan ansayo jingtip kabatikna
hadir milia keren bah benia buon kegeri tengi siem ba la kenungno nama arpui terik kedeka jingdap santros dem gejela kejungi tengi yasim karai bala long sekumnu kumnu ke celebration ya kejingdap santros dem ni hak banyak state level, district level. Ini habannya, tang bayar katanya ai ke direction. Saya chief secretary kunjuk si deputy commissioner skin walk out. Bahkan mong riski, bahkan mong babur beri upah. Katpum kecing pet juki, bahkan mendon kanu ke infection, kanu ke jingma, kanu ke jing spread ladajia, bah ni celebrate. Ya kaneka jingdap sampos dan juga celah kejungi haka arpoi terik teji kita berkat ni IT hapo chief secretary bat habat kunjur hapo jong di deputy commissioner next week in session dengan skin sepen benai ke detail para commissioner next week in session biang review meeting natangin sa I appreciate ya detail see golden jubilee is a golden jubilee but again we have directed the chief secretary, again we have directed all the deputy commissioners concerned to bring out the detailed program where again by next week we will have a review meeting and then of course we will reduce as much as possible that the attendees who will be part of the celebration should not be much. So for this also we have taken a decision, celebration cannot be stopped. But at the same time, all the details, formalities will be brought in, will be presented again by Chief Secretary and all the Deputy Commissioners. And thereafter, government will take a final call on this. So